Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Are you always wondering what to serve at your next party, or what to send in your kid's tiffin box, or what to make for a meal? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to prepare these tasty golden delights. They will be perfect for your next gathering or as a delightful surprise in your kid's tiffin box. You can even turn them into mouth-watering sandwiches for a flavor-packed meal. Our recipe for today is delicious chicken cutlets. Step 1. Marinating the mince. Take half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of Goan Spice powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Take 250 grams or quarter kg of chicken mince in a bowl. Open up the mince with a fork. Chicken pieces must be washed before mincing. Do not wash the mince after it is ground. Add the salt, black pepper powder, turmeric or haldi powder, Goan Spice powder, ginger garlic paste, and lime juice. Mix everything nicely, making sure the chicken mince is properly marinated. Cover and keep aside for half an hour. Step 2. Preparing the potatoes. Take 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Break open the boiled potatoes with a fork or knife to release the heat and cool it down slightly. Remove the skin while they are still warm. Mash the potatoes with a fork or a potato masher while they are still warm. Make sure there are no lumps or hard pieces of the potato remaining. Once the mashed potato has cooled down, it can be kept in the refrigerator for a few hours to dry up a bit. Mashed potato is ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions, cut them fine, 1 medium-sized tomato, cut it fine, 1 green chili, cut it very fine. Take a small bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Cut it very fine. 1 egg yolk, quarter cup of bread crumbs for coating, quarter cup of semolina or rava for coating, 1 egg for coating. Step 4. Cooking the mince. On medium heat in a thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir it nicely. After around 3 to 4 minutes, add the finely cut green chili and stir. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions turn golden brown, add the finely cut tomato. Stir everything properly. Cook until the tomatoes have softened. Once the tomato has softened, add the marinated mince. Stir everything nicely. Do not add any water now as the mince will release its own liquid. Stir to mix well. Cook the mince for around 18 to 20 minutes or until it is well done and all the liquid has dried out. Ensure that there are no lumps. If there are any, break them.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Cover and cook. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent the contents from sticking to the pan. We added 3 tablespoons of water while cooking the chicken mince. You may need to add more as and when you see the pan drying. You can now join our WhatsApp channel and get instant updates from Get Cooking Now. The link for our WhatsApp channel is provided in the description box. Check for salt and sourness and add salt, vinegar or lime juice if required. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. After 15 minutes, if there is a lot of liquid, then cook without the cover to enable the liquid to dry out. Once cooked, put the heat off. Add the finely chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Set aside to cool. Once the mince has cooled down, it can be kept in the refrigerator for a few hours, or you can make the cutlets immediately. Step 5. Preparing the mince mixture. Add the mashed potatoes in a mixing bowl. Add the cooled mince mixture. Mix everything properly. Ensure that there are no lumps. If there are any, break them. Check for salt and sourness and add salt, vinegar or lime juice if required. Add the yolk of 1 egg. Mix everything properly. If your mixture is wet, then you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of fine breadcrumbs to make it dry. Add little coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Keep the mixture in the refrigerator for a few hours, or you can make it immediately. Mince mixture is ready. Step 6. Preparing the cutlets. After a few hours, remove the mince mixture from the refrigerator and divide it into 8 equal portions. In a bowl, take 1 egg for coating. Add a pinch of salt. Whisk the egg lightly. Now in a plate, take 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup of semolina or rava for coating. Mix both of them nicely and spread it in the plate. Apply oil on your palm and fingers before making the cutlets, as this will prevent the mixture from sticking to your hand. Take 1 portion of the mince mixture. Roll it on the palm of your hand to form a round ball and then press it together to form a round flat shape like a cutlet. Cover any cracks or holes with the mixture. Now dip the cutlet in the egg and remove it using a fork or spatula and place it in the coating mix. For coating, only semolina or breadcrumbs can also be used. You don't need to mix both together. Either one of them can also be used, but we prefer the results when both are mixed. Turn and coat the cutlets on all sides. Shape the cutlet properly and ensure that there are no cracks. You can use your creativity to make different types of shapes if you prefer. Similarly, prepare the remaining cutlets. Keep all the cutlets ready before frying. Once the cutlets are ready for frying, it should be kept in the refrigerator for 1 hour at least, but it can also be fried immediately. Step 7. Frying the cutlets. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add sufficient cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the cutlets one by one. Do not add too many cutlets and crowd the pan, as the temperature of the oil will fall. Add only a few cutlets at a time, but this will entirely depend on the size of your pan. Check to see if the cutlets are cooked before turning them. Once the cutlets are golden brown on one side, turn them to cook the other side. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Once the cutlets are cooked on both sides, remove them from the pan. Place the cutlets on paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Delicious chicken cutlets are ready. Enjoy the irresistible taste of our chicken cutlets. Served piping hot, these golden delights are perfect for your next gathering or as a delightful surprise in your kids' tiffin box. You can even turn them into mouth-watering sandwiches for a flavor-packed meal. Do try them out soon and give us your feedback.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.